Okay, so I was wondering, what if I just want to tie two connectors to each other so I can run wire through a wall where these other conduit things, through wall conduits, don't work. So I'm going to give that a shot here and see if that works, doing it the same way, but just with unpowered connectors. So let me go back to grab a couple of these. I want to put these on the wall. So put one up there, put it right there. Put the other one over here. I'm going to see if this works. So I'm going to run this one, match the wire to that. Look at this. Okay, I got the noise. Let's see if it works. Highlight this wire. All right. Okay, that looks like it works. Let's test this out. Get rid of that. Take this one. Move it down here. Because I'm trying to pass switch power through the wall here so that I can put wire switches on each side of this door that'll open it. This is the powered one. This is the one that's just tied to that other one. So let's see if this works. It's back in there. My little creation station here. See if these two are now tied together. Now, well, man, that would be cool. If this works, that would be really neat. Let's see what I put this one on the inside right here. There. All right. So let's see. If I run power, I'm going to get rid of this wire. Let's see. So this is the one. Let's put a switch in here. Make a switch. We needed a delayed off switch that just opens and closes the door. So, I could use a laser tripwire. Is that what I'm going to use? I'm going to use the tripwire there. Okay, so this is the one with power. So for this, I think I'll run this to this. That. Power. this thing? Oh, I'm screwed now. How do I get out? I'm gonna have to clip through. We did it. Okay, that's not what. That's power is going to this. This to that. And this gets tripped. So basically the delay on that is too long. And this thing isn't resetting for some reason. Okay, anyway. I'm just going to get rid of these because this is too complex right now. So, leave these though. This one should be the one inside. So we'll put a switch up. Put a switch. This right there. So run power to the switch. Switch to the door. Alright. Switch. This? Is this one on? That one's on. If I go, let's see what happens. Switch. This. What I need is another powered one here. Because then I could just pass it through from inside and power that. And this one will work from out here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's go do that. So make another powered conduit. See if it works. I can test those. I can test this one that I made by connecting it to that. And moving this one inside. Test the door that way. Shut it off. Interesting. Number one. Look. I don't get it. Go out, buddy. Come on, pal. Go on there, Space Wolf. Leave it. Leave it. It should be going through the wall. Oh, because the power's going to that. That's what it is. There it is. Okay, so that does work. These through wall ones do work. That is cool as hell. That's the powered one. And that's the through wall one. Okay, so that's going to work. Well, what I'll do then is I'll hook this one up. Let's see how it. Okay, so from the outside, make this switch to the power. This one. This one. Let's try this. That should work. Power's going to that switch in there, which is bits on. There's power to this, which will let this switch open and close the door. Yep, that's it. Very cool. And if you go inside here, turn that switch off and shut the door. Oh, very cool. I'm just going to leave this open. Very cool. Well, it's good to know you can make through wall connectors there. They're just connectors, they're not actually powered. So that's interesting. I like it very much. Very cool. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.